I'm scared.
Ben!
Wait, okay, we gotta get him out of here. We need to do something. Ben, it's gonna be okay, buddy. We got you. Gary's. Thanks for believing me.
Wait, he can't be alone. Someone should be there. When he,
I can only fit one of you. We'll do what we can, but